Hey guys, today is Monday, November 14th. We are going to be going over creating double number lines today in math. Thursday we got done with lesson 5, which was double number lines, kind of interpreting those and kind of talking about the batches and the ratio of things. So today we're actually going to create double number lines, okay? So we're on the practice problems right here. Lesson 6, creating double number lines. A recipe for cinnamon rolls uses 2 tablespoons of sugar per teaspoon of cinnamon for the filling. Complete the double number line diagram to show the amount of cinnamon and sugar in 3, 4, and 5 batches. So, here's your given. So, one batch, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Okay, let me label this, I'm sorry. Cinnamon. This is sugar, okay? This is tablespoons. This is teaspoons, okay? So it tells us 2 tablespoons of sugar, right here, per 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, okay? So that's one batch, okay? And like I said the other day, at least right now, while we're learning these, I want you to be able to circle these and tell me and show me visually what one batch is, 2, and so on and so forth, okay? All right, so we know that we've got to do 3, 4, and 5, okay? Okay, so I kind of went over this the other day with you guys. So we see what the interval is, okay? So we're going to keep on going. See what we're going to do. We're going to do it in a different color. How about that? 1, 1, 1. Gaps they might not be exact, but they need to be close. Okay. Okay. Gap is 2, 2. See, look. 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10, 10, 12, 12, 14, so on and so forth. Okay. So here's 2 batches. But that's just for 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So 3 batches. Look, how do you get from 1 to 3? You multiply by 3, right? So if one batch is 1 times 3 is 3. If one batch is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Okay? 3 batches, 4 batches, 5 batches. Okay? Okay? How do you get from 1 to 5? You multiply by 5. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Okay? So multiple ways to kind of figure this out, okay? So this is problem number 1 on lesson 6. The rest of them are kind of very similarly worded. As you go into like number 3, you will have to even create the number line themselves. 1 and 2, they kind of give you a starting point. 3A, you will have to create the double number line and space it and so on and so forth. So we've got some fractions in there. We got some ratios in there, equivalent ratios, okay, number 5. So multiple things that we're working on today, okay? I will give you an opportunity to work on these before we meet in groups, but make sure you have what you can get done, and any questions that you have, bring to a small group. Also, social studies. We will be working on speeches this week from the past 2 presentations. So each day, several people will be either volunteer or chosen to kind of get up in front of class and go over your presentation. Doesn't have to be a real formal thing. We just are working on getting up in front of class and speaking to the class. So kind of be prepared for that.